How to add photos to Airbnb listing. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for airbnb.com. Now, log into your Airbnb account if you have not logged in yet, and further tap on the switch to hosting option on top of your screen and then tap on the listing option. Further, go ahead and select the listing you want to add photos in. Tap on the photos or photo tour option in the listings menu and now tap on add photos. Go ahead and select images from the device to upload. Further, drag and drop photos to rearrange their order. Set a cover photo by tapping on the desired image and selecting Make Cover Photo. Once you're done making the changes, tap on the Save button to apply the changes. And this is how you can add photos to Airbnb listing. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.